Hi everybody, this is Chef Joe again here from Kitchen Inspired at the Big Sandy Superstore in Polaris. Here today we're going to take a look at the Thermador suite of appliances. We're going to start with the Thermador cooking here behind us. Some pretty neat stuff to look at. So, let's take a look, see what we got. Okay, so here we're going to take a look at the Thermador Masterpiece Star cooktop. It's a 36-inch cooktop. You can get this in a 36 or 30-inch. You have the option of getting it with 2 burners, extra low. Turn it here until it clicks, and now you're in the extra low mode. So when you have it in 1 extra low, the burner is on for 10 seconds out of every 60 seconds. It's on for 10, off for 50. When you have it in the top mode here, I believe it is on for 50, off for 10. Now, on each of these, with the extra low, you're going to have 2 burners with extra low. On this model here, has it on the middle burner, and it has it on the left front, which is one of your smallest burners. So, on here, you're going to have 1 burner with 18,000 BTU. And a couple other various size burners. Now you can get this in a 30-inch as well, and you can get it without the extra low. Now the Star burner is a patented burner that nobody else has. But what this allows you to do is get a very, very powerful burner, and also heat up the middle of the pan at the same time that you heat the outside of the pan. A lot of other companies are starting to do that now with the dual stacked burners. However, I've found this burner to be one of the most powerful out there. It's going to let you bring a big pot of pasta water to boil a lot faster than most other brands out there. It's very impressive. It's one of my favorite gas ranges or gas burners, cooktop, range top to cook on. It's one of my favorite gas cooktops to cook on. It just gives you a lot of precision and control, a lot of heat, sear, to boil a large pot of water. It's nice. Now this guy here is the 36-inch range top. You can get this in a 30-inch, a 36-inch, and a 48-inch with a few different configurations. With a 36, you can get it with a grill in the middle. You can get it with 6 burners, or you can get this with a griddle. 6 knobs. A couple of these are going to have extra low. The main difference with this guy here is the extra lows do not click into place as the cooktop does. Now, it does stop at low. It does have a hard stop at low, and then it continues on, and you have 4 extra low settings. So, and I don't believe any other burners have that. Just those 4. Now this guy here, this range top, it's just basically the top of a nice big pro range just taken off. They left the oven out, it's just the tops. It's gonna give you all the power that the pro range has. Now with these new models of Thermadors, these burner caps are actually a different size now. You can see that here. So the rear ones are smaller, they're 15,000 BTUs across. And the front ones are bigger. They're pushing out 18,000 BTUs, and depending on the model, at least on the Pro Grand ranges, your front left burner is going to be 22,000 BTUs. That's going to be your serious power burner. If you want to get a big pot of water to boil very quickly, you're going to use that. Let's say if you're canning or you're cooking pasta for a big group, you're going to use that guy. You want to sear off steaks for a group, you're going to use this dude right here, okay?